That's the hero, the hero on the streets. Last man standing. No paga wire.
Okatakyie Afrifa Mensah is finally released 2 hours after his arrest. Let's say arrest when grad a patupa. Yache now 2 hours. Omasa ejali se. Onfa no ho enkonkod. In this video, remember who their course wa enti umujai Okatakyie Afrifa Mensah bonso. Aha Penyah break media. Message say any DM. Over like video no that one. Obo subscribe button. So click the notification icon to latest update. Abetire wa dwende ama me e wo comment section. Message wa say oba so no wo video ne so. Ama unu ebi so enya bi ahwe no ho de ekoso. Ewo mankonko Ghana. Aha! Ani nsim bi atwa Ghana obenya emu nkyiremu. Eti element na da bia. Enti video we na part 3. Part 1 bebe ma hu se ya che Okatakyie Afrifa Mensah. Ama wo kyiremu enema obe posti wo Facebook a wo kyiremu se na manfo kra ebe chesi no cars 2 bi a wo believe say from National Security Council enu be chesi no ene ade ena lead to an arrest. Ana part 2 demonstration course so was social media mountain so TikTok, Twitter, YouTube, everywhere. Nyina omunti ase say yachi Okatakyie Afrifa entino. They demonstrated on free Okatakyie Afrifa. Now, this video we part 3. Part 3 we mono Okatakyie Afrifa Mensah 2 hours after his arrest, he has been released.
That's the hero, the hero on the streets. Last man standing. No paga wire. The last man standing. Okay. Boys, no. Yes, that's the great man, the man who make it happen. Live and colored. Saucy menu ba.
National organizer.
Oh, member the chia. Oh, seven campaign manager ni. Solid papa. Bakupe. Big man. Boko. The moment Obi anim. Obi esro. Okay.
So this is a convoy. National organizer.
The moment Obi anim. Obi esro.
Okay, yeah. This is the update of Yejano. As at 8 o'clock, 8:30. But as at 10:40, Yejano. So this is the update of
And the Ekofa release when you buy no. Answer be about say yachi Okatakyie Afrifa Mensah bonso no. Media no so dey ebeye hey say massa. Then ekoso edinti na yachi no because Afrifa na be can say na cars bi kura chase no. and say Okatakyie or he's under threat. What I say, his life is in danger. Just say, not some people are just monitoring him, close marking. Omo person mudini bone any other enti ono so every day bia no or update the followers media na so emo de echo enya say eno achi eno be kire mu say no cars too be e be chase no they tended to chase the car back car ne be chase mu no almost 10 be chase cars emo mu chemu baako omo chi baako na do be ni na otimu no police personnel and I say policeman and to believe say National Security Council and a smart those two guys no mutikems any omo chase no the next part no are leading to this release no demonstration among for a whole day no a mountain so
Abusia quick one message so who video ya share from onua bia sisi enentia me say kan say national security for Apeki enua be my friend no Okatakyie Afrifa for the record showman ya peke no sisi na mate I don't want to believe say no cry but if say no cry me say mo share video yi na enko viral say the onua bi hu a ye nyina betima posti na ye demand the immediate release of Okatakyie Afrifa because Okatakyie onkum nipa Okatakyie nkotwe se kan wo bia so omo mutu galamse se ye nso kra yintimi nkwache wo mo na Okatakyie ono ne ye ni program a wonko onti a obia na so mesre se de meka no asema ye tete no it is alleged say ya chi enua no say national security for aba be picking no but asem no you see behind every room obia no there is an iota of truth into no crack akrabit mabam into Mr. Who video we share FMA nua say allegedly yes national security for Apeki nua be my friend Okatakyie Afrifa message who post we share ema nua bia na ye nyina ye demand the immediate release of Okatakyie Afrifa nyankopon hira.
Wow, this is sad evening. This is a very sad evening. Ghana is now becoming a dictatorship. In fact, a president people went and killed and voted for is now behaving as if he came into power through coup. Okatakyie Afrifa has been picked up by national security. If you could remember, some days ago, they shut down his platform. He decided to use a Starlink. He announced today that on Saturday he will be having a show. They went and picked him. A president that cannot accommodate criticism. Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo that they call a dictator. People criticize him over 8 good years and no one was picked by a national security. Today, if you even use your Facebook and want to say something about the NDC government, they will shut it down. Please, the youth should arise. Let's put MPP and NDC aside. Now, that is Okatakyie that they've arrested today. Tomorrow, you might express yourself on this app and they will come and pick you up. The journalists out there, the various TV stations and radio stations, if you don't talk, the same way one day you criticize the government and they will come and close down your station, and your only offense is that you have criticized the government. Mr. President, we are pleading with you. Allow everybody freedom of speech. If someone speaks against your government or accuse you wrongly, you sue the person. You don't send soldiers, you don't send police to go and pick up the person. There are legal process. That is why you are having Attorney General. Use the law. Use the law. If you feel someone is saying something that is wrong, someone is accusing your government wrongly, sue the person and let the laws work. You don't just send national security to be picking people to unknown locations. The youth should stand. Everybody should stand on their feet. Let's speak against this. Release Okatakyie Afrifa now.
National security for Okatakyie Afrifa breaking news na make catch them when national security. Yet na Ghana Hanuma Kevin Taylor ne Captain Smart. Dinane Akufo-Addo attempt the omo paid du papa nkrofo emi eniro tumfo nsebe na Kevin Taylor ankan for tumfo ho. Nana Akufo-Addo anyi obi atwoja obi apema no. Now Okatakyie Afrifa starting and see mako disconnecting the lights na in internet nyankopaya adwa ye nyame adma Saturday nkobe ye adwuma ena bi national security for akofa no exams are all back exams are all back ena o makohia na o machi na adi na kohyem tia people for mon solid ye pamocho 4 years we na da ye ni mo man this format na nipa course wo Ghana ha se Ghana ha nye obi adea ye ma mi free ye papa free MPP for mon solid ma mon tinase my gentle ache ye pamocho mon solid no makofo Okatakyie Afrifa o makoche no
mpacho saka video no ahye wate meaning na social media sesa na me so national security akochi Okatakyie Afrifa the oil for the record no how in the media for mo kasa o ma chin se wa koni pa na asa wa ye den na say den o ma chin se ampa da munja mun share video na ndu bebe se edu enti me media personalities o mo nya adwuma biom nkrofo ni nam ho mo di boni kraye mo nya o mo chi o mo na media obi professional o yes ma ko chi no ara wa ye den oh we dey the munja han sasain why you obi wa ka obi na say media phone media phone ka assembly Ghana biom we dey and I do the man who dey say papa dey enyenye munja han
It's not there. This particular demonstration, it played a significant role to the release of Okatakyie Afrifa Mensah. Now on Waba back now. I find that I'll share the account. It wait for part 4 of this video, and the part 4 will be the chronicles of Okatakyie Afrifa Mensah concerning the arrest. Dear bad dear potini di muntintimaya ya chintum na oko self on crano. Dear bear potina is see here. Omu ejano na omu ekwado mu de beche no enyina so NSA ono abeba abe shared opinion on that enti enemy entena aha Penyah Black Media because the part 4 ebeba eye Okatakyie Afrifa Mensah ono no na account the account of the arrest of Okatakyie Afrifa Mensah. Before that, aha Penyah Black Media.